Good morning, everyone. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. We hope that this morning you are doing well and that you are standing in faith in God and that everything is going well in your life. If there's anything in your life that's not going right, I promise you, if you can put your faith in God and start looking in the scriptures for an answer, you will find an answer for your current situation. But this morning, I want to ask you a question. Are your words condemning you, or are your words setting you free? All right, one more time. Are your words condemning you, or are your words setting you free? Well, let me say it another way. Are your words getting you into trouble, or are your words keeping you out of trouble? All right, yeah, let me give you a minute to think on that again, okay? Give you a second to think about that. Are your words getting you in trouble, or are your words getting you out of trouble, or are your words keeping you from trouble? Right now, I know some of you right now, as you're watching this podcast, you are already feeling guilty and you are ready to press the button and not listen to the rest of this, and you're ready to press that pause or stop button. But don't press that pause button, because you need to hear the rest of this. Matter of fact, instead of pressing the pause button, why don't you press the subscribe button and then let me continue what I'm saying to you. So here's the question. Are your words getting you in trouble, or are your words getting you and keeping you out of trouble? All right, let me read the scripture for you. Coming out of Matthew chapter 12, verse number 37. Matthew chapter 12, verse 37. This is actually Jesus speaking. He says, "The words you say will either acquit you or condemn you." Matthew chapter 12, verse 37 again. The words you say will either acquit you or condemn you. All right, so let's not try to complicate this scripture, right? There's a lot that's going on in this chapter, and we don't have time to deal with that in this morning word, but I think this is enough for us to chew on right here. Look at the first phrase. The words you say. Think about it for a second. Whatever comes, it's in your mind, it's in your heart, but then it shoots out of your mouth. So we're not talking about the words you think, or the words that are in your heart, or the words you got possibly forming sentences in your head. No, it says the first four words of the scripture, the words you say. So right now, I'm not talking about what you're thinking. I'm talking about what you said. The words you say will either acquit you or condemn you. Okay? So, all right. So just looking at that text already, what Jesus said, what you say is either going to make you not guilty, or your words are going to make you guilty. Or I like to say it like this. Either your words are going to get you in trouble, or your words are going to get you out of trouble. Okay, so I don't think I need to say much more than this, because I know already you're ready to press that pause button and you're ready to stop listening to me. So don't do that. Matter of fact, press rewind and play it again. Matter of fact, like it and send it to 100 of your friends, because you know, every one of us know a person right now who needs to watch this podcast right now just to listen to that scripture. Matthew 12 and 37, the words you say will either acquit you or condemn you. And in helping us understand it, I'm saying to you, are your words getting you in trouble? Are your words getting you out of trouble? If you know somebody today that their words, what they say, is getting them in trouble, I want you to shoot this podcast over to them and pass it off to them. Tell them, hey, you really need to listen to this one. But before you send it to them, I need you to watch this 2 or 3 more times and ask yourself the question. Jesus said here, the words I say will either acquit me or condemn me. Are your words this morning getting you in trouble? Or are they getting you out of trouble? All right, well, go out today and conquer your day. Don't let your day conquer you. We love you so much.